Hello students. Chapter 8 Measuring Time. In this chapter today we are going to learn word problem. In a certain year the Ganesh festival started on the 9th of September and ended on the 18th of September. For how many days was the festival celebrated? So student, in this word problem it is asked to find out the days was celebrated for Ganesh festival, and here it is given that the Ganesh festival was started from 9th of September and it ended on 18th of September. So we will write a statement to find out the days celebrated. Let us count days from 9th September to 18th September. So we will count the days from 9th September to 18th September. So to count the days we will count with putting the dots. So here I have put one dot and it is 9th September. Now I will put the dots till 18th September. 10th September, 11th September, 12th September, 13th September, 14th September, 15th September, 16th September, 17th September and 18th September. Now we will count these dots from 9 till 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got the number of days festival celebrated. So we will write the statement. For 10 days the festival was celebrated. Next word problem. Seema reached her hometown for Deepavali on the 12th of November and stayed there till the 1st of December. How many days does she spend there? So, here Seema went to the village, her hometown, for Diwali festival on 12th of November and she stayed in the village till 1st December. So we have to find out how many days she spent there. So first we will write the statement. So to find out number of days Seema spent in her hometown, we will count days from 12th November till 1st December. So as I have shown in the first word problem, we will count with the help of the dots. So we will start from the 12th November and go on putting the dots till 1st December. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and did you remember the students? November month has how many days? 30 days. So next date will be 1st December. Now we will count these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So we came to know that we will write the statement. Seema spent 20 days in her hometown. A school trip was from the 5th of December to the 10th of December. How many days was it? So, to find out the number of days of the trip, we will write first statement. To find out the number of days school trip was, we will count from 5th December till 10th December. So we will start the dot putting 5th December, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Now we will count all these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number of days school trip was for 6 days. So we will write the answer. The school trip was for 6 days. Next sum. Shyamrao had milk delivered to his home from the 5th of November to the 5th of December. How many days was milk delivered? So, to find out the number of days, we will write the statement first. Shyamrao had delivered milk from which date? 5th of November. November month has 30 days. Shyamrao had delivered milk after 4th November. So we will minus 4 days of November month. That is 30 minus 4. 30 means 30 days of November month and minus 4 the days when the milk was not delivered. So we got the answer 26. So he delivered 26 days in November month. He had delivered milk till 5th of December. So the period of days milk was delivered was 26 plus 5. 26 days of November month and 5 days of December month. So 26 plus 5 is equal to 31. So the answer is he had delivered milk for 31 days. So students, I hope you all have understood the word problem of measuring time. You have to copy all these word problem in your notebook. Thank you.